After you adding the cities, you can create your own zones to create the rate cards. First you have to create a zone by selecting the list of cities. First you have to go to admin. You can enter a name for the zone. Let's say it's the zone 10, and you have to select the city list of which belongs to the zone 10 by expanding the correct district. So you can select the route checkbox to select the all or one by one, or you can unselect the cities you not require. Likewise, you can select the main cities, so you can, when you are expanding that, you can see the cities of each district will be selected. Then you have to submit that zone. Here you can see the name of the zone will be here, and the total number of city can be counted here. If you want to update that zone, you can go to the manage zone action in the action button. Then it will be load selected city list here like this. If you want to unselect some cities, you can unselect those and submit that. If you want to download a zone list, you can just download here through the download action button, the zone list. If you want to filter those zones, you can use the filter option here. You can search by name or the reference number.